Earthquake! Yeah, it's a video. Yeah. I think so. Is that a video? Yeah! Yay! I figured it out. Huh?
Mexican music.
Mexican music? Oh, you probably just saw my fat roll. Why do you have tape on your face? Take it. I don't want it anymore. It's like pointing at my crotch. Wait. Like a filter. I love you too. You get off of me. Oh. Oh boy. Look at that. That light looks so cool. I thought you were gonna stab me with a flower. Oh boy. Mine too. Oh. You look like you're having sex with a flower. Soak smell. What do you think about colors?
Colorful.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think about flowers that big?
I think it's kind of scary. It makes me feel like a munchkin. But I know it's not real.
It's not real. What? I know this song.
How's that funny?
What?
How's that funny?
What did I laugh about? Oh, it's real. That flower is real.
What do you mean? I mean, it's not a real flower, Lauren. It's fabric.
But it's a real flower.
But it's not like an actual flower that you take outside.
Oh.
I wear t-shirts. The only line of the song I remember from earlier.
So you never heard it before?
Yeah. Or earlier.
Not sure.
Looking for heaven here.
Hey, look, tweezers.
Oh.
Did you get it?
I don't know. I couldn't.